You keep businesses honest with numbers. Since the 1st of July 2026, some of the services accountants provide, setting up companies and trusts, moving client money in deals, are designated services under Australia's anti-money laundering law. The key word is some. Here is where the line actually falls. First, the frame. You are not regulated for who you are. You are regulated for one or two specific services the Act lists by name. Provide one. And you are what the law calls a reporting entity, enrolled with AUSTRAC, running a small program, checking who you deal with, not a suspect, a gatekeeper. Here is the item that captures structure work. Verbatim. Assisting a person in the creation or restructuring of a body corporate or a legal arrangement. That second phrase includes trusts in the course of carrying on a business. Setting up companies and trusts is in. So is handling client money in transactions and assisting deals, other items on the same list. Day to day, the visible change is small. Before you provide that designated service, you confirm who your customer is. A couple of extra minutes for the honest ones, which is nearly everyone. The same gate for every customer. Routine, universal, nothing personal. Behind the counter sits a small program, a risk assessment in your own words, policies your senior people adopt, one named compliance officer, and staff who have been trained. And the Act itself right-sizes it. Your steps need only be appropriate to the nature, size and complexity of your business. Small firm, simpler program. Never nothing, but never a bank's program either. Day to day, two triggers matter. A client arrangement that makes no commercial sense and makes you genuinely uneasy starts a report clock. And cash at or over $10,000 has its own routine report. Both are walked through step by step in this channel's main series. And the line matters. The duty follows the service, not the letters after your name. Preparing a tax return or keeping the books by itself is not on the list. Standing up a company for a client, restructuring a trust, holding client money in a transaction, that is, map your service list against the table once carefully and you know exactly where you stand. And the habit that holds it all together. Write things down when they happen. The check you ran, the question you asked, the call you made. Records keep for 7 years. And the record of an honest process is the best protection your business can own. That is the shape of it. One listed service, one small program, 2 triggers, and a written record. For the full walkthrough, enrolment, the program, the reports, the records, start with the series Tranche 2, plainly, right here on this channel. You will know more than most of your competitors by lunchtime.